Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without burning a hole in your wallet. Today, we're taking to the skies with two mini drones that promise big fun. On the left, we have the DROCON drone, and on the right, we have the Ford DRCV4 mini foldable drone. Let's see which one will make your aerial dreams come true. Alright, let's start with the cameras. The DROCON drone boasts a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees manual adjustment. Perfect for those who want to capture their neighbor's awkward backyard dance moves without being too obvious. But wait, the Ford DRCV4 also packs a 1080p camera with a 90 degrees electric adjustment. So you can adjust the angle remotely while you're having your own dance party. Talk about multitasking. Reviewers say the DROCON's camera quality isn't the best but gets the job done, whereas the Ford DRCV4's camera is good for close-range recording but can be disappointing over time. Next up, flight stability and ease of use. The DROCON drone has headless mode, 1-key start, land, and 3 speeds. Plus, it has altitude hold and an emergency stop. Basically, it's like the drone version of a helicopter parent, always there to save you from your own mistakes. On the other hand, the Ford DRCV4 has optical flow positioning and an upgraded hover system. It also features 1-key takeoff, landing, and headless mode, making it idiot-proof. I mean, beginner-friendly. Reviewers find the DROCON to be easy to set up and use, but some mention it's lightweight and affected by wind. The Ford DRCV4 is praised for being stable and easy for beginners, but has been noted to malfunction over time. Battery life is crucial, especially when you're trying to impress your friends with your new gadget. The DROCON drone offers up to 24 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. That's enough time to make a TikTok, a YouTube vlog, and still have time to crash into a tree. The Ford DRCV4, however, gives you a whopping 26 minutes. 2 extra minutes might not sound like much, but trust me, in drone time, it's like a whole extra season of your favorite TV show. Reviewers appreciate the DROCON's extra battery and overall good battery life, while the Ford DRCV4 is also noted for having a good battery life of 18 to 25 minutes. Now, let's talk about those extra bells and whistles. The DROCON drone has gesture recognition, voice control, surround flight, gravity sensing mode, and even a 360-degree flip. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Meanwhile, the Ford DRCV4 also comes loaded with 3D flips, trajectory flight, gravity control, auto-follow, and VR capabilities. It's like the drone equivalent of a theme park. So many rides, so little time. Reviewers love the DROCON's comprehensive features, but note some issues with accessories like phone clips. The Ford DRCV4 is praised for its fun features, but criticized for its durability and plastic build. Last but not least, the price. The DROCON drone will set you back $109. It's like the premium Netflix subscription of drones. The Ford DRCV4, on the other hand, is a cool $89. That's like getting a drone and still having enough left over for a fancy coffee. Who says you can't have it all? Reviewers generally find the DROCON to be a good value for the features offered, despite some camera and build quality issues. The Ford DRCV4 is appreciated for its affordability, but noted for its lack of durability over time. Overall, reviewers find the DROCON drone to be a solid choice with good features and battery life, though it's lightweight and has some camera quality issues. The Ford DRCV4 mini foldable drone is loved for its ease of use and extra features, but is noted to have durability concerns and occasional malfunctions. So there you have it, folks. Both drones bring a lot to the table, or should I say, the sky. If you want a drone that's feature-packed and don't mind spending a bit more, the DROCON drone might be your new best friend. But if you're looking for great value and a few extra minutes of flight time, the 4DRCV4 is the way to go. Either way, you're in for a flying good time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy shopping and happy flying.